Some of the most important things on our motorcycles are things that we take for granted each and every time we get on them. Two of those things are chains and sprockets. And today I'm going to go over how to adjust properly, how to clean and lubricate, and what to look for when it's time to replace your chain and sprockets. This is a properly lubricated and adjusted chain. Your main function of chain lube is to lubricate the O-rings and the X-rings or the exterior of the chain in order to attract dirt and dust particles from getting inside of the links. The actual lubricant for the chain is inside of each link. It's a grease. When you're cleaning your chain, you don't want to use anything that can actually deteriorate the rubber O-rings or X-rings. With good cleaning and lubricating and adjustment every 300 to 500 miles, your chain can last you 15, 16, 17, 20,000 miles. There's no reason why it can't. Chain adjustment. A good chain is going to not kink, it's not going to bind, and you're not going to notice any real tight spots. To make sure for proper adjustment, find the tighter spot if you can and adjust from there. And when you do adjust, it should almost hit the bottom chain guard here. You do want it a little looser when you're off the bike. When you sit on the bike, it's going to squat a little bit. You're going to actually lengthen the swing arm a bit, and it's going to tighten the chain up. So you want to have it slacked. Don't over tighten. You should check your master link. Make sure that your master link's in good condition. Check the links. Just kind of grab the chain, give it a twist, and see what's going on. It shouldn't be binding too much. There should be a little bit of tightness, but not too much. Now here, we have an example of a very, very, very poor and in need of replacement chain and sprockets. Now, if you can tell, I've got some spots in it where it likes to bind or tighten up. It's squeaking. You can see the kinks in it. When you can wag it side to side, bad. Just as important as a healthy chain or healthy sprockets. This is a used sprocket, but it's in decent shape. Seems to be doing pretty well as far as the wear is concerned on that. To give you a drastic example of a very overworn sprocket, you can see the difference in the teeth. If your sprocket's starting to look like that, you're starting to get shark teeth like this, really sharp pointed teeth on the sprocket, it's overdue. It's time to replace your sprockets. Same thing goes for your front sprockets. As you can see on the fronts, you'll start to see a little bit of hooking and some deterioration in one side of the tooth. Once that starts to happen, it's going to start to round off. In an extreme example, you won't even see these teeth. The good rule of thumb is whenever you're going to change your chain, it's time to change the sprockets too. And once again, thank you very much for checking out my videos. I hope that your chain's life is ever increasing because of this little gem on the internet that you just happened upon. If you'd like to happen upon more of these little gems, hit the subscribe button right here. Thanks again. I'm Jason. I'm the Moto Medic, and I'm out of here.